Today's hack is on Amazon account audit, specifically PPC. What you're looking at here is our snapshot audit inside Ad Tactics, which is our bulk operations PPC management tool. I just wanted to quickly show you this audit, and if you are an agency and need to run multiple audits for clients, or you're a seller that struggles with trying to get their PPC data kind of all in one place and aggregated alongside all of your organic sales, this is a very easy tool to use. So the way it works is basically you're going to import a series of reports. It just takes about 5 minutes. You've got your sponsor brands report. They bring in the sponsor product search term report now with the bulk sheet. So that's one file is your Amazon bulk sheet. And then you've got your sponsor brand search term report, and then your sponsored brands placement report. You can also bring in your sponsored display search term report if you want, and then your traffic business report. So we've got kind of a systematic way to automatically import this data to where you don't really have to copy and paste anything. Literally just takes 5 minutes to build out the audit form. You can actually enter branded keywords if you've got some keywords or different variations related to your brand. And it's as simple as syncing the data by clicking this button, and then after that operation finishes, you're just going to come into Snapshot Audit and say Launch Snapshot Audit. And then you'll have this tab that opens up for you that you can start analyzing all the data. You can see it compiles everything, really segments things down pretty much to the nth degree. You can look at the account-wide view, or you can choose by ASIN. A lot of different options here to toggle some of the graphs. So it just depends on kind of what your client is wanting to see. And then if you scroll down here, we've got performance and top advertising opportunities section. So you can toggle all three of these kind of mini audits on, and this first section is going to show you some opportunities for the account related to wasted ad spend. You've got some opportunities related to launching new targets that are in your search term reports that you aren't leveraging yet. And then I like this one. This is a called a Pareto analysis. It's like the 20-80 rule. 20% of your targets are going to give you 80% of your results. A lot of sellers, especially new sellers, aren't taking advantage of really the top targets that are doing well in their account and working to scale those. So you can quickly just check this tick box here. And then another nice feature we have is you can come up to the snapshot audit and say add top performers to the bid override table. So if you watch the previous hack, I went over some ways to do automated bidding with manual bidding kind of mixed together, and this bid override table is one of the ways we kind of keep an eye on the top performing targets. So you can see it automatically just adds them to this table. You get a lot more segmented data all the way down to the target level. There's placement data here kind of in the background that you can leverage, and this works kind of hand in hand with our autopilot. So again, if you hadn't checked out the previous video on hack number 1, go back and watch that. It'll show you kind of how this data gets tied together and is used really efficiently. So hopping back into the snapshot audit, and again, that operation there is just something you can run as kind of a bi-weekly or a couple times a month if you want to make sure you're honing in on your top performing targets. Then you've got all these tables down here that kind of give you different slices and segments of your account. We've got them split up. You can kind of just collapse and expand each one. You can see there's multiple here, branded versus non-branded. You've got actually different placement level metrics that show different sections and data points depending on which targets they're leveraging right now and which ad types they're leveraging. So everything's broken out. Then down here at the bottom, you've got an ASIN level metrics kind of audit that you just tick that box on, and then all this data displays. It has all your tacos and organic sales over here, along with percent of ad spend, and pretty much everything you need to make good decisions by on a weekly basis is what I recommend as far as exporting this. There's a little button up here that if you want to send the client a report, or you want to kind of keep it as a history for yourself, you can do that. And then we have a lot of users that will leverage the information off of this snapshot report to kind of create their own tabs and make their own custom reports. So a lot of use cases for it. If you are in need of an audit like this and just a simple way to kind of automate it, definitely check out Ad Tactics. See ya.